Okay, what do we have today?
Past performance is a good indicator of future performance. That's why Hollywood loves sequels, and it's part of the reason why Phoenix Contact developed the PTCM connector product family. PTCM connectors are based on the PTSM family, but they use crimp contacts that are compatible with hand and automated assembly techniques, enabling very quick wire terminations and cost-effective cable assemblies. The contacts can handle 26 to 18 AWG wires, are available on reels for automated processing, and have 6 amps and 160 volt UL ratings. The PTCM family has 2 to 8 positions on a 2.5mm centerline pitch with wire-to-board and wire-to-wire options, and a white housing ideal for lighting applications as well as building automation, security and alarms, and industrial controls. The connectors are also 100% compatible with existing PTSM series connectors.